shear force and bending moment. What is the bending moment at the end supports of simply supported beam? See, this is simply supported beam. What we have asked, what is the bending moment at the end supports of a simply supported beam? This is shear force diagram and this is bending moment diagram. Hence, bending moment at the end supports of the simply supported beam 0. What is the maximum shear force when a cantilever beam is loaded with UDL throughout? In cantilever beam, there is a shear force at the free end is 0 and maximum at fixed end. And what we have, the beam is, cantilever beam is loaded with UDL of a W and length consider L, so that maximum shear force at the fixed end is W into L. Sagging. The bending moment occurs at the dash dash of the beam. Here consider simply supported beam. Sagging. See, in simply supported beam, sagging occurs at midspan because bending moment at the support is 0, as we saw in first problem or MCQ. Then what will the variation in bending moment for the diagram? Assume L is equal to 2 meter and this load is 10 kilonewton. Okay, we have given a cantilever beam. See, for this diagram, SFD will be this rectangular type and bending moment will be this triangular shape. The answer is triangular. What is the maximum bending moment for simply supported beam carrying a point load W at its center? Simply supported beam carrying a point load W at its center means this will be L by 2, this will be L by 2. Now see, this is a reference line and simple SFD will be this shape. Okay, whereas bending moment diagram is as this shape. At the center, bending moment will be moment at that point of these two reactions. What will be that? W by 2 into L by 2. If we consider only left side of this section, then positive W by 2 into L by 2 is equal to W into L by 4 is the answer. Then how do point loads and UDL be represented in SFD? How do point loads by simple lines and UDL by inclined lines? For the detailed information, you have to check the video of shear force and bending moment. Link will be given in the description box. Dash dash curve is formed due to bending of overhanging beams. Answer is elastic. The relation between slope and maximum bending moment is, means shear force and bending moment is simple inversely proportional, where the bending moment is 0, shear force is maximum, or shear force is 0, bending moment is maximum. What is the shear force at support B? At support B, C. In this type of cantilever beam, the shear force is at fixed support, not at free support. Hence answer is 0 kilonewton. Shear force is unbalanced dash dash to the left or right of the section, vertical force. Because shear force is defined as vertical unbalanced force or algebraic sum of all forces. SI unit of shear force is kilonewton, because shear force is a force. Determine the moment at fixed end. Simple, this type of a diagram. 10 into 4, 40 kilonewton is force acting at the mid. Hence there is a 2 meter. We have asked the moment at fixed end. 40 into 2, 80 kilonewton meter. Shear force is diagram is dash dash representation of shear force plotted as ordinate. Graphical representation. Hogging is negative bending movement. Hogging is negative bending movement, whereas sagging is positive bending movement. At the point of a contraflexure, the value of bending moment is 0, because at the point of a contraflexure, bending moment changes its sign from positive to negative or negative to positive. Hence, that point is called as point of contraflexure, and value of bending moment at that point is 0. Positive negative bending moments occurs when shear force changes its sign. Maximum means they ask when bending moment is maximum, then and then only shear force is 0. Hence shear force changes its sign means shear force is 0 when the bending moment is maximum. See, there is a point load, hence shear force diagram will be rectangle. SI unit of a bending moment is, bending moment means force and distance, kilonewton meter. What is the other name for positive bending moment? The answer is sagging. A beam is a structural member which is subjected to transverse loads and couples. See, a beam is a structural member which is subjected to transverse loads and couples. Which of the following are statically determinate beams? Cantilever beam, overhanging beam, simply supported beam. In cantilever carrying a uniformly varying load starting from 0 at the free end, the bending moment diagram is when the uniformly varying load, the shear force will be parabolic and bending moment follows a cubic law. In a simply supported beam, bending moment at the end is always 0 if it does not carry couple at the end. A sudden jump anywhere on the bending moment diagram of a beam is caused by couple acting at that point. In a simply supported beam having length is equal to L and subjected to concentrated load W at the midpoint, maximum bending moment is WL by 4. We saw the same problem, I think problem number 5. Maximum bending moment is equal to WL